Seen today at the CES. Ultrasound sensations onto our hands, a potential life-saving vision, and an astronaut from far, far, far away. A first striking finding that sees through walls, a one-sensor, Israeli RF technology that is also
privacy-preserving 3D imaging for smart home, automotive, and robotics.
Smarter, more connected objects and houses also mean more security concerns. So how should we address that, Doctor?
Internet security firewall for the connected homes.
In other words,
you want to give it a try.
Or maybe hit the road, leave these crowded places and drive safe, relying on eyesight's embedded computer vision.
We analyze facial features, and you can see here how we extract information for the eyelids, pupil, eye gaze, head position, all in order to apply it as a driver monitoring system and driver recognition.
Not fond of driving? Have a seat. Jobbers will book your flight to the Red Sea. What else?
It's a smart assistant for busy people. We already have 50,000 active users.
While on vacation, you might finally get to know, by text message, where the leak was coming from in your apartment. Because with that building lifetime manager, you get
all information of the building, online, anytime, anyplace.
What's more?
Hi!
Well, no pom-pom girls, but a breath of fresh air in Fairwind's vertical turbines.
It's a new concept, fully aluminium and completely recycling. Sell and produce in Belgium for all around the world.
And this DIY movable solar panel, how does it work?
So you place it, you plug it, and you use it.
Wind and light are useful, but at the end of the day, some batteries only charge the good old way.
Do